Hello there, and welcome to this MediaShout video tutorial. In this session, I'm going to show you how to utilize the features within the Firebox as part of the MediaShout program. Now, notice I have my script window open here, and at the bottom right-hand corner, we have the Firebox, which is down here. And it's got 4 buttons. 3 of these are adjustable or configurable buttons that allow you to display an image or a video or anything you want at the click of a button. The last one is a kill switch, but I'll explain that later on. So notice if I hit on this, I've actually assigned, it looks like a logo, and I've assigned our church logo on there. So anytime I want to display that, I'll just simply hit this button, don't need to search it up or anything like that. So it's like a shortcut. If I want anything on the screen to go black, which you would probably have that after a song or a Bible verse or anything like that, I'll hit on that button and it displays black on the screen. I haven't assigned anything on the color bar button, so if I hit on that, nothing happens. Now the fourth one, as I mentioned, is a kill switch. That means that you have anything running in MediaShout, say a video or an audio or anything like that, and something's going wrong and you just want to stop everything, you click on that and it automatically kills everything. So say for example I had this logo running, pretend it was a video, and I wanted to immediately stop it. I'll hit that and everything just cuts off. Okay, now if I want to assign something new to any of these 3 buttons here, it's very simple. I'll just go down to this drop down here and notice the logo, so which is this button down here. I highlight, I put my mouse over it and it says logo. I want to edit the queue and I want to change it to something else. So say, maybe I'll change it to a different logo we have. Okay, maybe I'll change it to an old one we used to use. And I click apply and okay. So if I want to fire that logo up, there we go. We have an old logo of our church that we used to have, and that displays up on there. And I can do the same similar for the black queue or the bars. These are just suggestions really of what it's really meant to be used for, but you can go ahead and put any image or video that you want. Now we have 2 buttons here in the Firebox. One is a countdown timer clock, and the other one is a key text. I'll show you the key text one first. I'm going to click on that button and it brings out a little dialog box, and that essentially means that anything that's on the screen, so maybe what I'll do is I'll just put our logo up there, okay, and I want to display a quick message over there, which churches do from time to time. Say you're at a conference and you've probably seen this before, someone puts a little message up on the screen saying someone's car outside with this license plate has left their lights on, that kind of thing. So I've initiated that, so I've clicked on the key text and that's brought up this dialog box. I'm going to select main display, so I'll click that until it highlights blue. Okay, don't worry about this button down here. This is stage display. This means if you have multiple monitors that you want to display different things on, but in this case we won't be concerned about that. So I'll just make sure this thing is highlighted, and I'm going to type car license plate AJL 234. Has lights on. Okay, if I want to display that, all I need to do is click this key button and it's going to turn green. Now notice on the screen up here, that message has overlaid and it has displayed on top. This will work when a video is running as well. So it basically puts this message on top of whatever is on your screen, whether you have a text, a video, a Bible verse, whatever it is. If I want to turn that off, I'll immediately just go back down to the key button here and click it again. It goes back to blue, everything disappears. On the top we have a countdown timer. So say for example you have a meeting at church and you just want to let the congregation know, I'm going to click on that, that the service is about to start, say in let's say 20 seconds time. Okay, so notice what I've done here is that I'm clicking on the main display, make sure that's highlighted blue. If I click that, notice the key goes gray. That means that it's not active for any of the displays. So I'm going to click that for the main display, and I'm just going to type here maybe I'll just put 10 seconds. All right, and I'm going to put the key on. It's going to turn green, and as you can see on top of the screen, it's got the timer up there. And I'm going to hit the play button down here and start the timer. Here we go. So it's countdown from 10 all the way down to 1. And that is essentially how to use these Firebox features down here. It's come a long way. These features were one of the most requested on the wish list when MediaShout was developing its future version. So we didn't have this luxury several versions ago, but it's really come a long way.